We're gonna make chicken cutlets marsala with a little side of pasta. The trick to my chicken marsala is to use a combination of dried mushrooms and fresh mushrooms. We use them so that we get the benefit of a flavored stock. So I put these down into some chicken broth and let them reconstitute. Then they bloom in there and the entire pan of broth tastes like porcini mushrooms. In the pan here, we're browning mushrooms in a combination of olive oil and butter, or just start the mushrooms with all olive oil. We're gonna add butter to the sauce later as well. So we have these guys working. Once the mushrooms brown, we're going to brown our chicken in the same pan. Now for the chicken, you put your hand on top of the chicken. I've already done this one. And with your sharp kitchen knife, you work across but not all the way through, and you open it up like a heart. Okay, you'll end up with larger cutlets that require much less pounding. And when we pound, we don't really pound. It's more of a drag, okay? It's down, even strokes, pushing away from your body or towards your body, gently and evenly until you get to your desired thickness, okay? Like that. This is the color you want the mushrooms before you ever touch them with salt and pepper. When they get that dark, meaty aroma and that deep dark brown color, get them out of the pan. Drop the chicken after you dredge it in flour. So we turned our chicken breasts in flour with the salt and the pepper. Then you put more olive oil in the pan and cook the chicken, right? Now we're going to pull our cutlets out, our golden brown cutlets out, and tent them with a little foil to keep them warm for a couple of minutes. And we'll quickly just build our sauce in the pan, our marsala sauce. I'm gonna let that butter melt a sec. My porcini stock is ready. See the color? That was just regular chicken stock. It gets this color from the mushrooms cooking out in it, okay? I chopped up the porcini that was reconstituted, and we're gonna add to our melted butter and our chicken drippings shallots, garlic, and lots of finely chopped fresh rosemary. Okay, give that a little swirl. Season it up with a little salt and pepper. Always season every layer of your food as you're cooking. And now the best part, the marsala, the fortified wine. Once you open marsala, keep it in the fridge. Okay. And then we're going to add in all of those beautiful porcinis. This is intoxicating. This smells so sexy good. Dang. I gotta make this for John this weekend. Maybe it'll turn into a date night for me. So we have heavily salted water here. Last second, when you're ready to serve, the house smells great. This can be done ahead. You just throw the chicken back into the sauce to heat it through. Last second, you're gonna drop your egg pasta or whisk up your instant polenta. The pasta, undercook it by 1 minute because you're gonna have carry-over cooking is what it's called. So if the package says 3 minutes or 4 minutes, this is egg pasta, so it's very quick cooking. You're gonna wanna pull it at 1 minute shy of that because we're going to add a little butter. We're gonna add our sauce, and I need some cheese. Ooh, add that last little bit of broth, why waste that? So we have our chicken ready to go. We ladle some of our mushrooms and sauce down over the top of that. I know, this is delicious. I know, right? That's a beast. That's a sexy beast. Yeah, come to mama. Okay, then take all the rest of that beautiful sauce and add it to our pasta. And then we add our cheese to the pasta. Yeah. Woo! And now we bring this right down here and pile that pasta next to our chicken.